What do you think the baby's heartbeat's going to sound like? What do you think?
Oink, oink.
Oink, oink.
The heartbeat?
The heartbeat?
No.
What does a heartbeat sound like? Yeah, that's probably what it'll sound like. Are you excited to hear it? Yeah. You think they're coming in right now? No, I don't know. Hey, Libby, what would be a good name for your brother? What? Little Einsteins. That's what you want to name your brother? You gotta think of boy names. What's a boy name that would be good? Are you done talking to me? Are you done talking to me?